Hi, hello, I'm Kolja, and in this short tutorial today I'm going to show you how to shoot things in Scratch. So I've prepared a little game here. We have a spaceship and an asteroid, and they're both basically just flying around. So they just glide to random positions independently of each other. Well, I want to add the possibility for the spaceship to shoot a laser at the asteroid to stop it from destroying the spaceship. First of all, let me just add a little more danger to the spaceship. So I will add a new loop here, or basically just wait until, say wait until it is touching the asteroid, and then stop all. So that's basically just saying once you hit the asteroid, boom, game over. So what do I do now to save my little spaceship from being destroyed? Well, of course, I have a laser. So I add when space key pressed. Oh, by the way, I can turn around the spaceship here with left and right arrow. Very nice. And now I want space key for shooting. And to shoot the laser, I have to use this block here, which will create a clone not of the spaceship, but of the laser. So whenever I press the spacebar, a new laser shot will appear. Laser does nothing, and it is hidden. I use when I start as a clone, which is the first block here for the laser, and it gets called only when a new clone is created. And what does the laser do? The laser shot. First, it goes to the spaceship. So the shot starts at the spaceship. And it points in the direction of the spaceship. To get the direction of the spaceship, I use this block here. Can select the spaceship here, and then there's a couple of variables or values of the spaceship which I can get from here. Could get its position, its costume, name, size, whatever, but I want the direction of the spaceship. And once I have that, I can start moving. And basically I will just repeat moving. I will keep moving until I am touching the edge of the screen. And once I do that, delete this clone. When you create a lot of clones of whatever, it's important that you also think about deleting the clones. Don't just hide them, make them invisible, but actually delete them, because otherwise, after a while, your game will become very slow, because it has to keep track of all the clones, even if you can't see them. So very important, delete this clone. And because it is hidden in the beginning, we have to show it, of course, and we have to move it. So when I press the space bar, we see the laser shot appear and move towards the edge. And when I turn around, the laser shot goes into this direction. Now we have to hit the asteroid. So we have we have this loop here, which basically just moves it to random positions. And also now we add another block when start click. Repeat forever. Wait until. And now this loop just waits to be shot. Every time the asteroid is shot, we do this one, we hide it. We could use another costume to show the asteroid exploding. I won't do that now because I think you can find out how to do that yourself. So I hide it. Keep it hidden for, let's say, 2 seconds. And then show it again. And repeat forever. So after 2 seconds, the asteroid will be visible again, and we can shoot at it again. Let's see. So now we shot the asteroid and it's coming back. Oof, that was close. And that was too slow. Great. So we can shoot the asteroid now, and just for fun, I'll add a little score counter here. I'll make a new variable. Call it score. And in the beginning, I set the score to 0. And then each time the asteroid gets hit, I change it by 1. Let's try that. Oh, too slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, that was a close one. 5. And 6. Okay. So now you can see to do the shooting, we need something to shoot, and we need a trigger. We could have added this trigger to the laser, but there's a little problem with that. First of all, it is really the spaceship that does the shooting, so I want to have this trigger in the program of the spaceship. And secondly, let's say I would move this here. This here. Now, every time I hit the space key, I will create a new laser shot. But not only would I create one new laser shot, but if I already have a laser shot on the screen, I would create another shot for each clone. And if I have a lot of shots and they move too slowly to get off the screen, it can become a lot of shots very fast. And you would have to add extra logic to prevent that. So by far the easier way is to just use the trigger here in this, use the trigger here in the spaceship, and then so create the clone of the laser. The laser gets initialized to the position and the direction of the spaceship, gets visible, so only the clones are visible. The original laser shot is invisible all the time, and then it just moves into that direction we've given it here until it hits the edge. We could delete it if it's hitting the asteroid, but I prefer my laser to just go through the asteroid. And once it's touching the edge, I delete the clone. Done. The asteroid gets this here to register when it's touching the laser. We increase the score. We could work with clones here as well. So create new clones of the asteroid, and once it's touching the laser, we increase the score and delete the clone. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and tell me in the comments if you missed something, if you are interested in another tutorial, or if you found another way to do this. And maybe link your own projects. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. See you next time, and bye-bye.